Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to easily edit videos for TikTok using the app itself. TikTok has several tools and features that can help you make your video more interesting. You can add music, text, effects, and much more. To begin, open the TikTok app and tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. And then select the video you want to edit. Click Next and tap on the Edit button. Here our videos will be displayed as tracks that can be moved or their length changed. With these tracks, we will edit the video. Let's quickly go through all the functionality. Sound Sync allows you to adjust the music to the video. Edit goes to the settings of the video that is under this timeline. Sound takes us to sound settings. Text allows us to write text over the video. Overlay adds another video on top of our finished one. And effects add various effects to the video, including transitions. Let's play the video, and as you can see, it's very long. Let's shorten it by clicking on the track with this video and simply dragging the sliders at the edges of the track. We can also add another video here by clicking on the plus sign. Let's shorten our second video and switch its position with the first one by holding the second video and dragging it to the left of the first one. Now let's diversify our video and add music. To do this, click on Add Sound and select the suggested music. Here we can also change the volume of the music. Also, we can click back and add sound effects as desired. Let's add a sound effect to the place where the two videos meet to make it more interesting. Next, go to the section with all the features by clicking this button. Let's add text to the video to convey something to the viewer. Click on Text, add text, and type anything you want. Click Done, increase the text size, and stretch the text sliders to the length of the entire video. You can also come up with the different variation with the text. Next, let's add a transition between the joins of the two videos. To do this, go to Effects and go to the Transition tab and select any transition. Now click Done. And it looks much better now. In the Effects tab, we can also add various effects to the video. You can experiment with them yourself. Then click Save. And here you can add any emoji. Then click Next, write a description for your video, and click Post. Of course, don't forget that TikTok, like any other social platform, has its limitations in video editing. So if you want to create an even more creative video for TikTok, I suggest using a third-party app, which we will talk about in the next video. Thank you for watching, leave your likes, comments and share this video. See you in the next video.